In this video, I'll guide you through how to convert PDF files to Word using Google Drive. This is a really handy trick if you've ever received a PDF that you need to edit, copy text from, or reformat in Microsoft Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take a PDF, open it in Google's tools, and download it as a fully editable Word document. First, you'll want to upload your PDF file to Google Drive. Go ahead and open your web browser and sign in to your Google Drive account. Once you're in Drive, look toward the top left of the screen for the New button. Click on it, then choose File Upload. A file browser window will open on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved, click on the PDF you want to convert, and then click Open. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of your screen. Wait until the upload is fully complete. When it's done, your PDF will appear in your list of files in Google Drive. If you don't see it right away, try sorting your files by last modified, or use the search bar at the top and type the file's name. Next, find the PDF you just uploaded and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with different options. From this menu, move your cursor over the option that says Open With. Another menu will appear to the side. From there, click on Google Docs. Google Drive will now open your PDF as a Google Docs file. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, this might take a few moments. Once it opens, you'll see the content of your PDF displayed inside Google Docs. At this point, Google has converted the PDF into a format that can be edited, although the formatting might not be perfect, especially if the original PDF had lots of images, columns, or unusual fonts. Simple text-based PDFs usually convert very cleanly. With the document now open in Google Docs, you're ready to turn it into a Word file. At the top left of the screen, click on the File menu. A drop-down list will appear. Hover over or click on Download. This will show you several format options for saving the file to your computer. From the list of download options, select Microsoft Word .docx. This is the standard format that Microsoft Word uses. As soon as you click that option, Google Docs will start preparing the file and your browser will begin downloading it. You'll usually see the download appear at the bottom of your browser window or in your default downloads folder on your computer. Once the download finishes, open your downloads folder and look for the new .docx file with the same name as your original PDF, unless you changed it. You can now double-click that file to open it in Microsoft Word and start editing. It's a good idea to quickly scan through the document to make sure the formatting looks the way you expect, especially for longer or more complex PDFs. That's all there is to it. You've uploaded a PDF to Google Drive, opened it with Google Docs, and downloaded it as a Word document, all using free tools you already have with a Google account.